so many years ago, this highlighter today would have been, this would have been my thing. But no, not today. I actually ended up putting my highlighter on when my face was still wet from the setting spray, so it just went really, really intense. So just powder brush. Right, empties video of February, March, who knows? Do you know what? I do call these monthly empties videos, but I just do them whenever I have so many products, at least 10. I went through one of my favourite candles, of course. This is a wee hair perfume by Rehab. Basically, if you follow Stacey Solomon on Instagram, you would have heard of her talking about this particular brand. They had like a wee offer or a wee deal on where you basically bought a product from Rehab, the brand, and you actually got the hair perfume free. And this was nice. It was very, very nice. I was kind of hoping that the perfume was going to smell different to the hair oils, you know, the wee capsules that they have, but it smelled the same. Sometimes I like things to smell different and not just like the same as this other thing, but this was actually quite nice. Like the smell of the wee oil capsules are nice, like don't get me wrong, it's not as if they're stinky. They just smell like jasmine. Like if you're walking through the English countryside, you're at a big estate house, you're walking through the gardens, and it's just the smell of like just fresh English countryside flowers and jasmine and oh, I don't know. It does smell really nice and fresh. It was nice on the hair. It obviously did give the hair like a really nice scent and everything, and it did last. And it also has a couple of hair benefits as well. Like I think it has like castor oil and stuff in it. So it's obviously going to like not only provide the hair with a bit of scent, but a bit of care as well. It was nice. I don't, however, would I repurchase the bigger size? I don't know. I don't know. Depending on how much it is. I'm stingy. Sunday Rain body scrub, the rose scented one. I buy these like every now and again on Beauty Bay, and you know what, they're handy. Like they're handy, cheap, affordable, wee body scrubs, and they are quite nice actually. This one in the scent rose wasn't as nice a scent as the other ones that I've tried. There's an orange one I've tried. It's something like mango or something, mango and coconut, or I'm not too sure, but it's lovely. But definitely with this one, I feel like rose is definitely a scent you either love or hate. I don't mind it, but sometimes the scent of a rose can be just, it can be hit or miss, and this was just eh. It was alright. It was alright, but I definitely wouldn't go out and buy that scent again. But the body scrub itself, you know, it is a really, really nice wee scrub, and then I definitely will not ever repurchase this. So this is by Superdrug, and it's their vitamin E gentle oatmeal exfoliator. So I bought this not really realizing or looking in too much about the product itself. So this is just one of these facial exfoliators, like, you know, the St. Ives facial scrub, where it's like nearly bits of shell, and you just, apparently like that's really, really bad for your skin, and that actually leaves like wee minuscule tears in your skin. This was like that, and I just did not like this. I ended up using this I think maybe twice, and it was like, no, I actually feel really guilty using this in my skin. But I did end up using it up on my body, like whenever I was removing or trying to remove fake tan, I used this because I did use the rest of it last night. But definitely, I just feel like we've heard far too many horror stories and just how certain scrubs aren't the best for your skin. Yeah. What brand is this? XHC? XHC? Try saying that 10 times quick. I just bought this wee shampoo and conditioner in, was it B&M or Home Bargains? I think it was actually Home Bargains. I buy my shampoo and conditioner online, and what had happened? I was running out far too quick, and I knew that by the time I had ordered my usual shampoo and conditioner that it wouldn't have came in time whenever it came around to hair washing day. So I bought this shampoo and conditioner just as like a wee, it'll do until then. And do you know something? I am now, I definitely wasn't like back in the day. I honestly would have used Kyle's lengths to wash my hair, but now I'm definitely more fussy with my hair, and I do invest in my hair, and that's why my hair is this length now. I personally feel. But this was actually not bad. It definitely was quite nourishing on the hair. It definitely did feel quite nice and hydrating, especially the conditioner. Another hair product that I was really intrigued in, and honestly I seen and noticed no difference with this, which is unfortunate because I love these types of hair products, but I just, I would be interested to go and read the reviews on this product because honestly, swear down, I noticed no difference using this product to when I didn't use this product. And I obviously used it consistently, yeah. Yeah, whatever. So it's by Beauty Bay, Beauty Bay's own hair brand, and it is the Hair Balm Bond Repair Cream. You basically don't condition your hair whenever you're using this. Like, this is going to be like the conditioner that you use, but you then leave it in. You don't wash it out, you just leave it in. You'll shampoo your hair, give it a wee bit of a squeeze, a bit of a towel dry, not too rough obviously. You'll apply a wee bit of this to your hair. I usually like to take, this sounds really bad, but maybe I used about 5 pumps of this because I did find that this did last me a way long time, so that wasn't me being completely rash or trying to get through it. But obviously, like, I don't have a lot of hair, but I have long hair now, so definitely like maybe 3, 4, 5 pumps was maybe a wee bit too generous, but it was fine. It was honestly as if I just used my normal conditioner. I have 2 products here from Grays. I actually got these in a bundle whenever they first launched. So what else came in the bundle? I feel like something else came in the bundle. Oh yes, like the spray effect tan, like the quickie one or something. Oh my god, that was amazing. So I'm going to talk about this first. So this is the Glow Job Pre-Tan Moisturizer. This was okay. It was all right. I have to say, I do not moisturize before I effect tan. I've learned that lesson far too many times because I feel like if I do and I'm applying my tan looks like shite, rubbish, horrible, streaky, patchy. As I'm blending it, it's moving, like the tan is like moving. Oh my goodness, no. So I just don't tan, or I don't moisturize before I tan. I just whack it all on and hope for the best. So I actually thought that this might come in handy as a face moisturizer. Used it once and kind of forgot about it. And then I actually ended up giving it to Kate. And I was like, here, do you fancy using this? Didn't really get his thoughts and opinions on it, but I'm just saying that, like, I didn't really use it enough to actually get an opinion on it. The tan, however, I have quite a few thoughts. So this is the Glow Job You Make Me Foam Self Tanning Mousse. So this is the dark one. This was a really nice tan. Whenever you applied it, it had a really beautiful like color guide, and then whenever you woke up the next day, it was a beautiful color. You obviously washed it off, it still was a beautiful color. However, this tan is a nightmare to remove. So I just done a fresh layer of tan last night, and with this tan in particular, I find that it will fade. The colour will eventually fade, and then it'll maybe get a wee bit patchy, and then that's whenever I will just scrub it off. Whereas I find that with this tan and other tans is they will maintain and hold the colour and the depth of the tan, and then they'll just go patchy. And then I find that tans like that are a nightmare to scrub off, whereas I'd rather a tan that the colour's going to fade so that it doesn't look as bad and as patchy when it's time to come off, okay? Do you see what I mean here? It's a gorgeous tan. It really is, but I genuinely don't think I would repurchase this because of how hard it is to actually get off. I find that, like, I still didn't even get it off like 100%, like around my arms up here. Like, there just comes a point where you can't scrub anymore. I really don't know why I put this in here, but I put it in anyway. So this is the Ordinary Lactic Acid. I didn't use this up fully, so like this is what I mean. I don't know why I put this in here. I had used quite a bit of it, and then I was going through my skincare boxes the other day, just poking through them to see what I could use up and to see if anything's like a date or anything's funky or separate it. And this was disgusting. This had like bits in it. It must have sat that long that it had separated, it had bits in it, it was lumpy. Ew. But I can't even remember like what this is actually like. I must actually Google this again and see what like what you use lactic acid for, because there was like the tiniest wee bit out of it. It was like down to about here, so I obviously was using it at some stage, but yeah. And then I went through this Sanctuary Spa Shower Burst. I love these shower gels that come out like a cream and then they just foam up. I love them. And this one's lovely. The smell of this is gorgeous. So this is White Lily and Damask Rose. So it's just really nice, warm, cozy smell, but just really nice and floral as well. Yeah, don't really have much to say about it. It's a shower gel. And I'm really sad about this. I'm really sad that I went through this. This is probably my favourite cleanser of all time. I love this cleanser. So it's by Elemis and it is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So as you can see, it just comes with a pump. So it's basically just like a clear gel cleanser. Once you add a bit of water to it, you start to emulsify it, it will turn into a lather and it'll foam up. It's honestly one of the nicest cleansers. I never would have used it to remove my makeup because I wouldn't have wasted it for that. I have my makeup removers, but you see on days where I was just, you know, first thing in the morning, washing my face, you know, like after all my fourth cleanses of trying to take my cake face off, and just using this as like my final cleanse. Oh, so nice. Not only the smell of this cleanser, like I've never really found a cleanser that I love the smell of, but this is beautiful. Like not only is it like a really beautiful smell, but it's just such a really nice cleanser as well. It's just so nice. It's just like such a really nice like soft lather, like a really nice soft foam. It doesn't strip or dry out your skin. It doesn't sting my eyes either. I will always repurchase this. It's pricey, but it's worth it. Like I wonder is there any more left? Oh, there's a wee bit. Look, there's a wee bit. If you're on the hunt for a new cleanser and you're wanting to splurge, definitely try it. Try it and give it a go. The reason I actually now buy the full size of this is because, is there water in that? Oh yeah, there is. I had got, it was like a wee small sample, like travel size of this cleanser, and I loved it. Fell in love with it instantly, so I now buy the bigger size. So if you're able to get like the wee small travel size, highly recommend it. I will try and link all of these products down below in the description box for you, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.